everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Dior beauty unboxing, and actually the package arrived on this brown box right here. I have already removed the label, and also I have already opened this package, and this is how it looks inside right there. This is a Dior box that they have, and as you guys can see, all the goodies that I've purchased are in here. And wow, I was like a little bit surprised because this is part of the Lunar New Year collection. It is a limited edition piece, and it only comes out once a year for a Lunar New Year. And surprisingly, this one arrived with no box at all. There is no ribbon. And also, I mean, when you look at the website, it is so fascinating looking at on how they lure you with all those beautiful videos regarding with their packaging, gifting, and with the ribbon and wrapping for the Lunar New Year. So it's more likely they even have an envelope. They even have a little tiny pouch in it. It's like so beautiful and fascinating. And look what I got. It didn't came in the box. It didn't came in with a ribbon. No card at all. Nothing that is actually showing on the website. So I was a little bit confused with that. It is okay. I guess it would be like on my first time, but I am a platinum member, so it's a little bit odd when they just put it in the box all over the place. Look at that. It just arrives like that, and I've actually never received anything like this setup. But anyway, I am just like, the reason why I actually brought that up, it's because I purchased this because of the packaging, to be honest with you guys. The packaging is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, those beautiful gold, the combination of gold and red color. Oh, it's amazing. So anyway, this is what I got. So, okay, let me just start with a sample first. So it came in with this pouch, white pouch. So sometimes they put it in a gray pouch, but this time I got these are some of the goodies that I have. Okay, something fell off from here. Oh, this is a sample, a Sauvage sample. I think this one belongs here. Why? What happened? This one is all over the place. This should belong here. So anyway, so this is the sample. This is a Sauvage Eau de Parfum. Right there. Another sample as well. This is the Eau de Parfum of Miss Dior. I guess all of you guys are familiar with the scent of that. And yeah, they just throw everything right there, right here. And this is a lipstick, and this is the Rouge Dior 999 satin. Let me just open this and see what the color is. Well, rouge, it's red, obviously. So this is how it looks inside. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's like their miniature size. Okay. And I guess I have two of these. Yeah, I got two of these. Wow, very nice sample. Oh, the other one is velvet. So those are the samples that I got. And another sample right here is Miss Dior, the Eau de Parfum ones. Let me see if I can open this, so that at least I'll be able to show you the samples. I know how cute this is. I really love the packaging for this piece. Right there. Very nice. Just like a rainbow metallic on the cap right there. It's so cute. So right there, It's so lovely. It's like a miniature ones. Okay, so these are the gift with purchase. So meaning to say you have to buy something, and if you're eligible for any of these, sometimes it'll show right away a checked out, and sometimes you have to put a code. I also have another sample here. I don't know. Oh, this is another sample, a miniature sample. Oh wow, this is so cute. I haven't, let me try, let me smell this. Smells really good. So this is the Fève Délicieuse. Fève Délicieuse. Délicieuse. It's right there. And wow, that smells really good. A delicious smell. So anyway, I also got, this is actually a lip brush. So I always like to use a lip brush. The one that I have, it's already been worn out. So I got a lip brush right here. It just seems to look like it's cloudy inside. That's a little strange. So this is the brush. And the last gift with purchase that I have for this is a, it says right here, an LED mirror. So let me show you what I've got. Okay, so this is exactly what I wanted, and it is this beautiful pink mirror. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Just gonna have to, yeah, it is a mirror, and let me show you, it is an LED ones. So let me just figure out on how to activate. Oh, right here at the bottom. So this is how, yeah, did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, there is a light, an LED light. So beautiful. Oh, this is actually what I wanted. So, but you have to purchase a certain amount to be able to get this. So I think the code that I used for this to be able to get this gift with purchase, I think is DIORWITHYOU, and you have to buy a certain amount to be able to get this. So when you put the certain amount, I don't even remember how much I paid for everything. I think I paid a little over $100. And okay, so this one is $135, and then I paid $125 for this, and then right away on the checkout in my cart I was able to see this added right away. Okay, so that means I am eligible for this gift with purchase. But if you added something in your cart, you put the code DIORWITHYOU and it wouldn't show there, that means you have to add more. So anyway, let's move on to this piece right here. Look at the packaging. The packaging is absolutely amazing. It's Year of the Tiger. So this is the Miss Dior right here. Blooming Bouquet Eau de Toilette. 100 ml or 3.4 ounces. So this is the packaging. So let's take a look at inside. Okay. Oh, very nice. I love the packaging. Oh, look at that. It's so fancy. Beautiful. So I'm going to give you a closer look on the detail of this beautiful, lovely box. And this is for the Lunar New Year exclusive. And I believe this one has already been sold out. That's what I think. I think it's already been sold out. Okay, so let's open this slowly. Right here. And here comes the perfume itself. Wow, very nice. The packaging is amazing. This is $135 and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. So let's remove this stuffing right here. Okay, I have to be very careful not to damage anything. Okay, so so this is how it looks. This beautiful packaging right here for the Lunar New Year, and it has a card right here that tells you about the item right here. And then also this is the perfume itself. So let me just remove that. And this one came in with a brooch in it. So the brooch, actually, let me just take this one out. And then the brooch is right here. Look at that. It is in gold color, and it says right there in the detail, it's CD. That's how it looks. Yeah, it does seem to look like it's too big though, but regardless, it is actually very pretty. Yeah, it is so pretty. Oh, okay, it got stuck right there. So yeah, it has a pin right here, so you could just put it right. You can use it as a brooch. It's actually cute. I really love it. The packaging is amazing. The packaging is absolutely amazing. I did not expect that at all, that everything was all covered with the pattern. It's so beautiful right here. Wow, it's so cute. So anyway, so yeah, if you missed the code, this is a Dior with you code to get all the gift with purchase. And yeah, this is for a limited edition piece for a Lunar New Year. And I guess it's already been sold out. I think it has been sold out. So yeah, I'm going to put the link down below with the code as well. Okay, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.